If you're trying to decide between QuickBooks and ZipBooks for expense tracking, you're in the right place. Both of these software tools claim to offer robust expense tracking features, but which one truly stands out? By the end of this video, you'll know which one does it better and why, so stay tuned. Let's start with QuickBooks. As one of the most popular accounting tools out there, QuickBooks offers a lot of features that make it easy to manage expenses. You can easily categorize expenses, upload receipts, and track spending. QuickBooks also offers integration with bank accounts, allowing you to automatically import transactions. The downside? QuickBooks can be a bit overwhelming, especially for small business owners or freelancers who don't need all the extra features. And it's on the pricier side compared to other options. Next thing, let's talk about ZipBooks. ZipBooks is a cloud-based accounting tool with a more minimalist approach. When it comes to expense tracking, ZipBooks allows users to track spending, categorize expenses, and attach receipts. Its user interface is much simpler than QuickBooks, making it a better choice for those who need an easy, no-fuss way of tracking expenses. However, it lacks some of the advanced features QuickBooks offers, such as time tracking and project management tools, which could be important for businesses that need more functionality. The fourth thing to consider is automation. QuickBooks has automatic categorization, bank syncing, and can even create custom expense reports. It's the gold standard for expense tracking because it's highly customizable and can adapt to many different business needs. But the learning curve is steep. You might find yourself spending a lot of time just trying to figure out how to get the most out of it. ZipBooks, on the other hand, has a more streamlined approach. While it's not as robust as QuickBooks in automation, its simplicity can be an advantage for people who just want the basics done right without extra steps. Next thing to discuss is the pricing. QuickBooks offers a range of pricing tiers, but they can get pretty expensive. For freelancers or small businesses on a budget, QuickBooks may not be the most cost-effective option. ZipBooks, however, offers a free plan with essential features, and their paid plans are quite affordable compared to QuickBooks. That makes ZipBooks a strong contender for people who need to track expenses without breaking the bank. The fifth thing we need to address is reporting. QuickBooks excels here with detailed, customizable reports. You can get insight into where your money's going, run profit and loss statements, and even forecast your future cash flow. For more advanced needs, QuickBooks is definitely a step ahead of ZipBooks. While ZipBooks does offer basic reports, the customization options are very limited. If detailed financial reports are a priority, QuickBooks wins hands down. Finally, both platforms are solid choices for expense tracking, but if you're looking for a solution that balances ease of use, price, and functionality, there's an alternative worth considering. After trying both QuickBooks and ZipBooks myself, I found that the software in the first link in the description offers all the features you need without the complexity or high price tags. You'll also get exclusive benefits only available to my viewers if you use the link below to start your free trial. Both QuickBooks and ZipBooks have their merits, but if you're ready for a better alternative to meet your expense tracking needs, check out the link below to get the best free trial and benefits available.